Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Affirm Debit card. So it's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. So first of all, just open your Affirm on your web browser, or you can also use it on your mobile application. So in order to use Affirm Debit card, so basically the Affirm app shows you the current purchasing power, and the Affirm card provides you with the choice of making a debit purchase, pay now, or request a plan in the Affirm app to pay over time in installment when eligible in store and online. So basically you just have to link your bank account to your Affirm, and after that just follow these instructions in order to use a debit card. Tap on the specific purchase detail that you have to make, and after that just tap on the manage payments tab, and after that just make one-time payment and tap on remaining balance, and after that just simply click on continue and your payment will be done. So yeah, this is how you will be able to use your Affirm debit card. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.